Chevrolet today introduced the all-new 2023 Colorado, offering customers greater performance, capability and customization, plus a refreshed exterior and interior design. The all-new Colorado is enhanced in every way, said Scott Bell, Global Vice President of Chevrolet. With its rugged and sporty styling, enhanced capability, new technology and customization options, it's designed to do more for discerning customers and still offer them great value. Designers and engineers focused on 3 key categories to take the Colorado to the next level: elevated design, enhanced performance, and new and useful technology. Each category weaves into a streamlined lineup built around a single wheelbase and single cab configuration to create a unified Colorado pickup family. The 2023 Colorado lineup includes work truck, WT, LT, Z71, ZR2 and first-ever Trail Boss models. The lineup features 3 distinctive chassis stances to optimize each model's capabilities. Together, they compose a more diverse range of choices tailored to the distinctive ways customers use their trucks for work and recreational activities, including off-roading. Along with new exterior styling and proportions, the 2023 Colorado introduces an all-new interior that blends refinement and functionality with work-ready durability and comfort. Across the 2023 Colorado lineup, there are now 4 unique interior trims choices for customers. The class-leading, standard 11.3-inch diagonal color infotainment 1 touchscreen is the centerpiece of the cabin and is accompanied by a segment-first standard 8-inch diagonal fully digital color instrument display, both of which are customizable. The 4 distinct new interior options feature sporty round outboard vents, wrapped and stitched knee pads on the doors and center console for select models, and more adventurous contrast stitching on select models. We set out to design the Colorado as a tough, muscular and capable midsize truck, which we think especially came through in the wide ZR2 trim with the aggressive grille shield, said Phil Zak, Executive Design Director. Across all trims, the exterior's presence and attitude is reflected in the interior, which is designed around the large center stack screen. Leaning into the success from the current generation, the 2023 Colorado has a significant number of on- and off-road accessories available for any trim. In an effort to allow each customer to build their off-road dream truck, the off-road accessory portfolio has more than doubled from previous model years. A 2.7L turbo engine, proven in the full-size Silverado, is new for Colorado and powers all 5 models with 3 distinct output variants that exceed the output of the current model. The engine receives several enhancements in the 2023 model year to help optimize performance and refinement. They include a more rigid cylinder block casting and a 30% stiffer crankshaft, which complement a fully forged bottom end as well as materials used in diesel engines to deliver the durability customers expect. This single advanced engine delivers more horsepower and torque than the previous 3 engines offered. The new base 2.7L turbo engine, for example, offers 18% more horsepower and 36% more torque than the current Colorado's base engine. In addition, the higher output versions of the 2.7L engine lineup produce more horsepower and torque than the current model's available 3.6L V6 and 2.8L turbo diesel engines. A second-generation 8-speed automatic transmission complements the new engine, with refinements designed to offer smoother shifting and quicker downshifts, for a feeling of greater comfort and power on demand. It also excels in low-speed mobility, particularly in off-road scenarios. The increased clearances enable customers to tackle more challenging terrain. With the increased approach angle, for example, the Colorado can climb more vertical terrain than before, without suspension or bodywork interference. To support the new Colorado's increased off-road and trailering capabilities, up to 5 selectable drive modes, depending on the model, are offered. Each is tailored for different driving conditions, and they are accessible using a knob located on the center console, to the left of the gear selector.